didn't mean it like that! It was an accident, I swear! Get on the ground! We have the evidence.
Okay, viewers. Oh my god, just look at this incredible 2D Stickman result. This niche looks absolutely amazing. And the best part? I created this entire style using 100% free AI tools. Before we begin, I want you to carefully watch all of these sample videos and images on your screen. First of all, open YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, search for the channel Frank Unseen. This channel has already built an impressive audience with this Stickman animation niche. According to estimated analytics, it's generating around 3.2K per month, which is a great result for a faceless YouTube channel. If you look at the channel's most popular uploads, you'll notice that many of the videos have received hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. Now, let me show you these videos one by one. As you can see, every single upload is highly engaging. The storytelling, simple Stickman characters, smooth animation, and emotional scenes keep viewers watching until the end. Personally, I really love this niche because the videos are simple to produce while still looking extremely professional. That's exactly why this style is currently trending and has huge viral potential. Take a close look at each thumbnail, every animation, every scene, and every character. You'll notice that the visuals are clean, consistent, and designed to maximize audience retention. Now that you've seen how these videos look, let's move on to the next step. Now let's talk about the master prompt. I've already created a complete master prompt. And the good news is that you don't have to create anything from scratch. You'll find the master prompt link in the description below this video. This master prompt already includes professional image prompts, cinematic video prompts, complete voiceover prompts, character consistency, scene descriptions, camera angles, lighting, animation style, and every important detail required to create high-quality Stickman videos. However, there's one special feature that makes this prompt much better. Simply copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and type, "Give me image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover." After that, ChatGPT will start asking you several creative questions. For example, it may ask what kind of story you'd like to create. Maybe you want a prison escape story, a zombie survival story, a poor versus rich story, or any other exciting concept. In my case, I'll choose the prison escape theme. After selecting the story, ChatGPT will continue asking additional questions, such as what the ending should be, whether the story should have a successful escape, whether it should be emotional, action-packed, suspenseful, or inspirational. Based on your answers, ChatGPT will automatically generate every single scene one by one. Just wait a few moments and look at this amazing result. All 8 complete scenes are now ready. Each scene includes a detailed image prompt, a cinematic video prompt, a professional voiceover, character consistency, camera movement, lighting, and emotional direction. Everything is already organized for you. Take a close look at these prompts. You'll notice how detailed, engaging, and professionally written they are. Now let's generate the images. For image generation, I'm going to use Flow AI, which is currently one of my favorite AI image generation platforms. Inside Flow AI, I'm going to select the Nano Banana 2 model because it produces excellent results with Stickman illustrations. Next, I'll copy my first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and simply click Generate. Now let's wait a few seconds. And look at this result. Our very first image is now ready. Take a close look. The quality is incredibly clean, the composition looks fantastic, and the Stickman design is exactly the style we were aiming for. Now let's generate the second image. I'll copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and this time I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9 since I'm creating videos for YouTube. Once again, I'll click Generate. Wow, look at this second result. The quality is absolutely amazing. Now let's repeat the same process for the third image. I'll copy the third prompt, paste it, click Generate, wait a few moments, and there it is. Our third image is now ready, and once again the quality is fantastic. Now let's continue with the fourth image. I'll copy the fourth prompt, paste it, click Generate, wait patiently for the AI to finish, and look at this incredible result. Our fourth image is also ready. Now we have 4 beautiful Stickman illustrations, and every single one looks clean, consistent, and highly engaging. At this point, there's nothing complicated left. I'll simply continue copying each remaining image prompt one by one, paste every prompt into Flow AI, generate each image, and repeat the same process until all scenes are completed. After generating every prompt, let's take a look at the final results. Oh my god, viewers, just look at this. Every single image is now complete. Take a moment to admire the quality. The artwork is incredibly clean. The Stickman characters remain perfectly consistent across every scene. The colors are vibrant. The composition is cinematic. The quality is full HD. And the storytelling feels incredibly engaging. You'll also notice that although these images are inspired by the same Stickman niche we explored earlier, they still have their own unique style and originality. That's exactly what makes this workflow so powerful. Instead of copying someone else's content, you're creating your own original version with professional consistency. This niche has enormous viral potential, and as you've already seen, many channels are getting millions of views using this style. Now that all of our images are finished, it's finally time to bring them to life. Now let's generate the videos. The good news is that you don't need to switch to another website. We'll continue using Flow AI for video generation as well. First, I'll select my first image here inside Flow AI. Once the image is selected, I'll copy the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt section. After that, I'll choose the VO 3.1 Lite model. Once everything is configured correctly, I'll simply click on the Generate button. Now the AI will start processing the animation. All you have to do is be a little patient and wait for the generation to finish. And look at this result, viewers. Our very first Stickman animation is now ready. Just look at how smooth and cinematic it is. The character movements are clean, the animation feels natural, and the overall quality looks incredibly professional. This is exactly the type of engaging content that keeps viewers watching until the end. Now let's move on to the second video. I'll simply select the second image, paste its matching video prompt into the prompt box, and once again, click the Generate button. After waiting a few moments, look at this second result. Our second animation has been generated successfully, and once again the quality is absolutely amazing. So now both video 1 and video 2 are completely finished. Next, let's generate the third video. The process is exactly the same. I'll select the third image, paste the third video prompt, click Generate, and let the AI do all the work. After that, I'll repeat the exact same workflow for the fourth image. Click Generate and wait for the AI to finish rendering each animation. It's a very simple process, and you just repeat these same steps for every scene. After generating all of the animations, look at this final result, viewers. Every single video has now been completed. Take a close look at the final quality. The animations are smooth. The Stickman characters remain perfectly consistent throughout every scene. The camera movement looks cinematic. The storytelling feels engaging. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and have an amazing day.